Yo everybody, and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today we've upgraded the mic quality, so drop a like if you're enjoying this. But today we're going to be talking about Warzone 2 and split screen. People are wondering, is split screen in Warzone 2? If so, how do you do it? So today we're going to be breaking down if it's in the game, how you can do it, and then so on, when it's going to be coming if it's not in right now. So firstly, can you do split screen, right? So if you're at the main menu of Call of Duty Warzone 2, you sometimes see add a controller for split screen, right? That is actually sadly not for Warzone 2. If you see that message at the menu screen before you enter Warzone, what it basically means is that if you want to play Modern Warfare 2 online, or Modern Warfare 2 against bots, you can actually add split screen to that sort of to that game. So you can actually have two controllers playing, you know, the split campaign or something like that. However, when it comes to Warzone, sadly right now, as I take a look at this private jet, which is kind of nice, you know, yeah. There is no split screen on Call of Duty Warzone 2. So I repeat, right now you cannot do split screen for Warzone 2. Okay, so now that we know that, firstly, why is this? Well, essentially, it's kind of just because I don't know why. I don't know why they haven't added it. I feel like back in the day on Zombies, you could play Call of Duty split screen. It was fantastic. You'd have a few friends over. Oh, it's horrible to play this. You'd have a few friends over, and you'd basically be able to play split screen, and it was great. Now with Warzone, let's say I live in a house with a housemate. If we want to play Warzone at the same time, we're going to have to bring up two PlayStations, two TVs, two controllers, two downloads, double down on the internet connection. So it's going to be... I can't believe I popped that guy. But it's quite a mission to play split screen. So, you know, that's what you have to do if you want to play split screen. Going forward, is this something that they're going to introduce in... Oh, I've got popped. Is there something that they're going to introduce into Warzone? You know what? I hope so. When would they do this? Maybe with the next big update. Depending on how much demand there is for it, they would look at introducing it. You see, right now, there isn't that much demand for split screen. I think it's like most people play online with their friends. However, for me, it's the sort of thing where Call of Duty Warzone is, especially the bigger maps, it's a great game, right? But it's only a great game when you're playing with friends or you're playing with other people, really get the tactics going, etc. When you're playing by yourself, I find that the game can be quite slow, quite long, and then you kind of die and you're like, right, well, I'm done now. Split screen would solve that problem. Playing online with friends would solve that problem. So I think that this is a future. Jeez, I was going ham then. That they're definitely going to add. So to clarify, you cannot do split screen right now. Hopefully they add it in the future. I think we just got to tweet out, essentially telling them to let us play split screen and stuff. Another thing that I want to talk about in the next video, so drop a like and subscribe, is can and will there be Bosch? Got him. Rebirth on Warzone 2. Let's go back in the game, everybody. But yeah, essentially Warzone 2 doesn't right now have Rebirth. It has a few different style maps, DMZ, Shoot House, and then it's got the big Battle Royale. Rebirth is by far the best game mode ever to come out of Call of Duty, and I think that a lot of us would love to see it back inside of the game. So what I'm going to do some research, talk about when this could possibly come out and when it's going to happen soon, yeah, that'll be in the next video. But enjoy some of this gameplay, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you again soon.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Strongholds located. Targets are marked on your attack map.